It's the swap meet flip, and it's been an amazing past few days. We've been selling quite a few items, actually a lot of high-tech stuff. So let's get started. This is a Qili Power. Oh, the Filipinos would know this. Qili Power battery charger. This is a 36-volt battery charger, and I bought it for $3 and I flipped it for $29.97. I like to get these items because they're small, easy to send, and it doesn't cost much, and the return is really high. So that was a great flip. This is a good one. This is a Hitachi DA4000, and this is a single CD player for back in the 80s when the CD technology first came out. So this is a totally vintage item. It works great, and it sold for $95, from $10 to $95. So we're good to go on that item. So this is a Kenwood KRC 509S. This is a cassette deck for the car. I bought this literally for $5. And it didn't come with a harness, but I knew if I could locate one of these online. I got this for $7, so a total investment of from $5, $7, $12. And I put this up on eBay for $210 or better offer, and they offered $180. And guess what? I'm gonna take that all day long. So that's a great flip, from $12 to $180. Not bad. Anyway, oh, by the way, this thing is getting picked up today. I'm actually doing this as a local pickup because that's what he wanted. And I made a video of the local pickup process for eBay. Okay, so hopefully you'll check out that video when I get it up there. And then the last piece is this Genetech Sharp V LPR camera. This is one of those cameras that reads license plates, used for security. These are really hefty, heavy duty items that get, that can withstand a lot of weather. It's got a high-end camera on it. So I picked this up for $8 and it sold for $250. Talk about an awesome flip. All right, so man, this is amazing. It's been an amazing past few days, and it's been definitely some really good flips. Anyway, we spent a total of $33 on all of these items, and we flipped it for $554.97. Talk about an awesome flip. All right, anyway, I hope you guys liked that video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and possibly join the channel. Subscribe to the channel, all right? That's the Swap Meet Flip Challenge. I look forward to seeing you guys again and seeing all and to show you all the products that I sell. All right, talk to you soon.